My friends, this video will show you how to wire the key 1 and key 2 lines and remap steering wheel control functions. Connect the white line to the key 1 line, the black line to G and D, and the red line to B+. Apply your electrical tape to the pieces of wire. It will provide more insulation protection than when it is applied loosely. Once connected, go to Steering Learn to remap the steering wheel control. Press Clear All to clear the unit memory first, but not required by all units. Select the SWC function on the car stereo. Press the same function button on the steering wheel, and wait for the display to set up successfully. After SWC functions are set, you can rotate the volume plus to see if the programming was successful. Please subscribe ViaBecs. Thanks.